Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got an IBM Selectric 2 on the bench. Just about done with this. Had a lot to do on it, and it is feeling good. Like it never has. Nah, it's probably been a while since this typewriter's worked this good. But I was all ready to button it up, put the case on it, the covers on it, and I found the problem. Went to pull the paper out, paper release, pull out, and it wouldn't come out. And I was like, what the heck? And I got to looking. If you look here, you'll see when I pull the paper release, it releases the roller here, and then releases the roller there, but it's not releasing the roller there. So it's got 3 out of 4 of the rollers moving. See, both these should move like this. Instead, this one is crippled. So, upon investigation, I found the problem relatively quick. I have seen this before. Get this out of the way. Get this stuff out of the way. And there's the high roller. So what to do? Well, it is really obvious right off the bat. Let me get the paper bale out of the way. This should have this right here. This is missing this nut and this whole assembly here, and that's what's not holding in place. See that move? That should be clamped in place with a screw and a nut, special screw and a square nut. So I do have those parts. And we're gonna put them in. Let me turn this thing off, and let me fetch the little part right here. It's about the simplest job you can get on an IBM, I guess, maybe, I don't know. So it's got a special, this uses one of the spline wrenches for this special nut. I don't know why, but I guess it's for access is better. Yeah, getting in here is a little tricky. Let's see if I can get this through here. Okay, look at that. I think I got it. There it is, poking out. Now let's see if I can get the nut started on this side, which can also be a little bit of a challenge. So let's see if we can get this thing lined up just right and get this nut started. Just like that. All right. I don't think that nut needs to be in any, it kind of locks itself in position. So it doesn't need to be squared up like this one. Well, let's just do it. Let me back this thing out a little bit. See if I can get that squared up. There, that's a little bit. Let's make it look a little better. There we go. Okay, so now I got this thing not tight all the way. All you really need to do is flex this down into just about where it should go. Not really overall that critical, and tighten it down. So I'm going to tighten it down there and then let it go and see. And see, it still came up a little bit, so I'm going to loosen this and push it down a little further, probably as far as I can there, like that. Let's see if that'll do it. Okay, that looks better. And I can tighten that down very tight, because that's gotta be tight. Okay, so now that should move together. Look at that, nice harmony. And if we put the roller back in here, should look pretty even. Nice. Okay, so that is a simple repair here today. I have seen these screws not just come loose, but actually break. It's kind of strange, but you know, there is such a thing as metal fatigue and metal stress. I'm not sure. I didn't find the parts inside the machine for that, so I don't know what happened to it. There we go. Now, paper's gonna come out the way it should. And IBM's you know, it's pretty much completely free when you do the paper release. All right, that's my video today. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.